We have to use it because the importing of objects defined in a module stands for the execution of this module. In the config module, I defined the name variable and also there is the call of the print function. And in the app module, I want to import the name variable. I run the script and we can see that the print statement was executed too. It means that all function calls at the global level should be hidden. They should be hidden in the if main block. This if condition checks the value of the name variable. If the module or its objects are imported, the value of the name variable will be the name of the file, and we can see it here. Or it gets the main value when the script is run as the main module of your project. And thus this if main condition will be false when the module will be imported somewhere, and therefore its content won't be executed.